Vicinity. The area around a place.
I got a young black with shotgun in the vicinity of Virginia Park.
I'll be checking things out around here in this vicinity.
Century. A period of 100 years.
If he could carry parish communications into the 21st century and me along with it.
Oh, he's an actor. He's one of the great American actors of the 20th century.
Rage. Extreme or violent anger.
Rage and vengeance, anger, loss, regret.
When he saw this, the Roman governor was filled with rage and ordered their heads to be cut off.
Document. A paper or set of papers with written or printed information.
May seem like a strange word to be in that document, but...
Read that document carefully, Tom.
Conclude. To judge or decide something after thinking carefully about it.
Okay. Did you conclude then that Mrs. Strubing fell or jumped off the bridge?
He should conclude that the New Bailey will become the symbol of our time and the future that our conviction has rewarded us.
Undeniable. So obviously true that it cannot be doubted.
That's undeniably true.
But you and I both know that does not change one undeniable fact.
Resist. To refuse to accept or be changed by something.
It is pointless to resist, my son.
And finally, his lordship couldn't resist and asked Mr. Allen had he noticed it, the picture of Washington.
Lack. To not have enough of something.
Scientists attribute this latest water shortage to the lack of rainfall the last 2 years.
Like your father, you lack the courage to do all that is necessary.
Ignore. To give no attention to something or someone.
But given that it's a stupid-ass decision, I've elected to ignore it.
Anything at all. Just ignore it. Pretend it's not happening.
Challenge. To invite someone to compete.
There is courage still, strength enough perhaps to challenge.
What could be more glorious than to challenge the Emperor himself in the great arena?
Miniature. Something that is a very small copy of an object.
Well, it was a good thing Charlie had told her he was staying at the Chuck E. Cheese Lodge and Miniature Golf Resort.
You really think a 12-year-old boy could row this far in a miniature canoe?
Source. The place something comes from or starts at.
Only major component he still needs is a power source of high energy density.
If I die before I reach the summit, he'll use me as an alternative source of food. Ew,